Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we are going to discuss naman no about the slope of a line, no? Actually na banggit ko na tong slope of the line doon sa mga previous video lessons na ginawa ko. Okay? Now, slope of a line no is a measure of stiffness no of a graph, no? Kumbaga sinusukat natin kung gaano katarik yung isang graph or yung isang line, no? Yung isang slanting line. Okay? So yun ang slope of a line. Now, again, no, for the slope of a line, meron tayong tinatawag na run over by, rise over by run. Okay? Yan. So yung rise, ito yung tumutukoy no sa number of units no ng i-move ng point no. It's either downwards or upward. No? Kung pag positive, upwards yung pag negative, downwards. Yung run naman, no, ito naman yung horizontal movement no ng isang point. Okay, para makakuha natin yung next point no to make a graph na. Now, finding the slope of the line, no? How can you find the slope of the line? Okay? So example here, no, given yung 2 points, no? Then we are going to find the slope of a line. Okay, to find it, we will use this formula. We have m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Your y sub 2 here, no? Isasayin natin yung coordinates, no, para hindi malito. X sub 1 is 2, x sub 2 is negative 1. Ito yun. X sub 1, x sub 2. Then your y sub 1 here is 3, y sub 2 is 7. Okay, yan. Ito ha. Y sub 2 is 7. Now, kompleto na yung mga coordinates. Substitute na lang, no? Substitute your y sub 2 to 7. Your y sub 1 to 3. Yan, nakalagay na. Minus 3 all over by your x sub 2 is negative 1. Then your x sub 1 is 2. Minus 2. Then, subtract natin. 7 minus 3, that is 4. Negative 1 minus 2, that is negative 3. Or, negative 4/3. So, ito yung magiging slope natin. Okay? Pwede natin kunin yung lowest term, no? If ever na merong lowest term. But since wala namang lowest term, okay, ito na yun. Okay? Actually, dito class, no, nilipat ko yung negative sign sa unahan, no? Kasi hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng negative sign sa denominators. Kung meron man, ilipat lang natin sa unahan o kaya dito sa taas. Okay? Next, 0 and negative 2 and negative 2 and 0. No? Again, using this formula, no? So your x of 1 here is 0. Saysay natin yung coordinates. Yung x of 2 natin is negative 2. Your y sub 1 is negative 2 also. Your y sub 2 is negative 4. Now, substitute na to this formula. Now, your y sub 2 is negative 4. Your minus y sub 1 is negative 2. Your x sub 2 here is negative 2 minus your x sub 1 is 0. Okay? Negative 4 minus negative 2 or negative 4 plus 2 because negative times negative is positive kaya naging positive to yan over by negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. Negative 4 plus 2 that is negative 2 over by negative 2 is equal to 1. Positive 1. No? Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive 1. So ito yung magiging slope natin. Positive 1. Okay? So basta alam lang natin, no, tama yung coordinates and then masunod lang natin yung formula, madali lang makukuha yung slope of the line. Then now, what about naman kung given naman yung equation, no? How can we find the slope of the line, no? Especially this one, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay? By using the slope intercept form. Okay? So yung y equal to mx plus b. Write natin tong equation into this form, no? Now, transpose 2x and positive 4 to the other side, ang natira sa left side ng equal sign is negative 3y equal to negative 2x kasi nga nag-transpose tayo, minus 4 kasi nga nag-transpose tayo. Then, since meron pa tayong negative 3 dito, no? Divide both sides by negative 3, cancel this out, then we have y is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 3 is positive 2/3 x, no? Because negative divided by negative is positive. And 2 is not divisible by 3. That's why we will write it by 2 over by 3 lang. Negative 4 divided by negative 3. Again, parehas negative. Therefore, we have positive 4/3. Okay? So, what is this loop? Yung slope natin yung m. We have 2/3. Okay? Kung wala namang nakalagay na number dito sa tabi ng x, automatic 1 yon. Okay? So, yan ang pakatandaan nyo. Okay? Yung b naman is yung y-intercept, which is 4/3. Okay? The next, another one. 15x plus 5y equal to 9, no? Okay, transpose lang ulit, no? Using this form, no? Slope intercept form. We have 15x plus 5y equal to 9, transpose 15x to the other side. Hindi na pwede natin galawin yung 9 kasi nga nasa right side na siya ng equal sign, no? Nasa kanan na siya ng equal sign. So 15x na lang. So magiging 5y equal to negative 15x plus 9. Then divide both sides by 5, cancel this out. Then we have y is equal to negative 15 divided by 5, negative 3, negative 3x. Then 9 divided by 5 is 9 over by 5. What is this loop? Ano yung m natin? Negative 3. Ano yung b? 9/5. Okay? Exercise. Now, find the slope of the line given the following. No? Okay, given the points here, we have 2 and 3 and negative 1, negative 5. No? Using this, using the formula of slope. No? Okay? The coordinates here are for x of 1 is 2. Ito yun. Your x of 2 is negative 1. Y sub 1 is 3. Ito yun. Y sub 2 is negative 5. Using this formula, substitute lang natin. Y sub 2 minus, Y sub 2 is negative 5 minus your Y sub 1 is 3. X sub 2 is, ito yun, X sub 2 is negative 1 minus your X sub 1 is 2. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Negative divided by negative is positive. We have 8/3. Ito yung magiging slope natin. 8/3. Next, find the slope of negative 3 and 5 and 2 and negative 1. No? Ito yung coordinates. X of 1 is negative 3. X of 2 is 2. Y sub 1 is 5. Ito yun. Y sub 2 is negative 1. Now, using this formula, no, substitute. Y sub 2 is equal to negative 1 minus Y sub 1 is 5 over by your X sub 2 is 2 minus your X sub 1 is negative 3. Negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. 2 minus negative 3 or 2 plus 3 because negative times negative is positive. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, the slope is negative 6/5. Okay? Next, x plus y equal to 5 naman, no? Okay, using the slope intercept form, no, transpose lang natin yung x to the other side. We have y equal to negative x plus 5, no? Kasi nga, nag-transpose tayo sa kabila, tinawid natin sa equal sign, kaya nag-negative x yan. Pero sa 5, hindi natin ginalaw. Inusog lang natin patras. Now, what is this loop here? Walang nakalagay na number, automatic, negative 1 yun. Okay? This loop is negative 1. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? So that's all. Goodbye and God bless.